Hello children, your Archana auntie is back for new lessons. Today I will teach you about rainy season. Children, you must have noticed that the last couple of months have been so hot. April, May and June. No matter what we do, we have been sweating all the time. The sun has been so bright. But you know what is special about summer season? The fruits. Mangoes, watermelon, muskmelon, and the juices too. You must have enjoyed shakes also, isn't it? Chocolate shakes, strawberry shakes, and so on. Playing in the evening, eating ice cream was a great fun. Summer season is quite long. And now we welcome the rainy season or monsoon. How do we know it's time for monsoon? Well, now the clouds are grey and black. The sunshine is not so bright. And the humidity. What is humidity? You know about it? Okay, I'll tell you. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. When there is more water vapor in the air, we have rains. When it is about to rain, sometimes we hear thunder and see lightning too. Children, rain is like a shower from the sky, and everyone is happy. And if we want to go out and keep ourselves dry, then we need umbrellas, gumboots, raincoats. And sometimes, you must observe something, a very nice thing. After rains, if we are very lucky, then we see a rainbow in the sky. A rainbow has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. In Hindi, we call rainbow Indradhanush. Dhanush means bow. We observe frogs, snails, mushrooms, caterpillars, and sometimes we also see babies of fish in ponds and lakes. It's also a lot of fun to jump in the puddles and splash water everywhere. We also make paper boats and float them in the puddle. So, children, happy monsoon! Enjoy the weather, make paper boats, have lot of fun. Bye. Love you.